Stop wasting time with average apps. Here are the top 7 best productivity apps for Android in 2026 that millions of users rely on to boost productivity every day. Number 7, it's TickTick, one of the highest rated productivity apps with a 4.6 star rating, over 150,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads. TickTick isn't just another to-do list. It combines your tasks, calendar, reminders, and even habit tracking into one clean, easy-to-use app. Instead of switching between multiple apps, everything stays organized in one place. Need to stay focused? The built-in Pomodoro timer helps you work in distraction-free sessions, and you can even use white noise to improve concentration while studying or working. Creating tasks is incredibly fast. You can type or use your voice, and the app automatically recognizes dates and sets reminders for you. That means less planning and more getting things done. It also works across Android, iPhone, Windows, Mac, the web, and smartwatches, so your schedule stays updated no matter which device you're using. Another standout feature is the habit tracker. Whether you're trying to exercise more, read every day, or build a new routine, TickTick helps you stay consistent over time. You can even share lists and assign tasks with family, friends, or coworkers, making teamwork much easier without endless messages. It's easy to see why millions of people rely on TickTick to stay productive and organized every day. Coming in at number 6 is Todoist. With a 4.7 star rating, 287,000 reviews, and over 10 million downloads, it's one of the world's favorite productivity apps. Imagine waking up, opening one app, and seeing everything you need to do: work, school, bills, workouts, even grocery shopping, all in one place. Adding tasks is incredibly easy. Just type something like pay rent every first Monday, or simply use your voice. Todoist automatically understands what you mean and schedules it for you. You can switch between list, board, or calendar views depending on how you like to stay organized. Plus, recurring tasks help you build daily habits without thinking twice. Working with friends or teammates? Share projects, assign tasks, and keep everyone on the same page. And because everything syncs across all your devices, your schedule is always up to date wherever you are. No wonder millions of people trust Todoist to stay productive every single day. The number 5, we have Notion Notes, Tasks, AI, one of the most powerful productivity apps available today. It holds an impressive 4.6 star rating from over 363,000 reviews, with more than 10 million downloads. Notion combines your notes, to-do lists, documents, projects, calendars, and team collaboration into one clean workspace. Instead of jumping between multiple apps, everything stays organized in one place. The biggest game changer is Notion AI. It can help you brainstorm ideas, write faster, summarize long notes, answer questions about your workspace, and even turn messy information into organized action plans. Students can use it for class notes and study planners. Professionals can manage projects, meeting notes, and workflows. And if you're working with a team, real-time collaboration makes sharing ideas incredibly easy. Another huge advantage is customization. With thousands of templates and flexible layouts, you can build a workspace that fits your style instead of changing your workflow to match the app. Plus, it syncs across your phone, tablet, and computer, so your work is always with you. Number 4 is Microsoft To-Do Lists and Tasks. And there's a reason it has a 4.7 star rating, over 457,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by a long list of tasks, the app starts your day with My Day, a personalized planner that helps you focus on your top priorities. Need to remember a meeting, pay a bill, finish homework, or buy groceries? Just create a task, set a reminder, and you're good to go. You can even create recurring reminders, add notes, attach files, and split large projects into smaller, manageable steps. One of the biggest advantages is its seamless sync across your phone, computer, and web browser. If you already use Outlook or other Microsoft services, everything stays connected automatically. You can also share lists with family, friends, or coworkers, making collaboration simple and stress-free. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to stay organized, this app gives you the tools to keep your life on track. At number 3, it's Forest Stay Focused. With a 4.3 star rating, over 706,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's one of the most popular productivity apps around. Here's the cool part. Every time you start a focus session, you plant a virtual tree. Stay focused and your tree grows. Leave the app to scroll social media, your tree withers. It's a simple idea that makes staying productive surprisingly addictive. Forest is built around the Pomodoro technique, helping you study, work, or read in focused sessions without constant distractions. You can even block distracting apps while keeping important ones available. Want extra motivation? Unlock new tree species, compete with friends, track your focus history, and even earn rewards that help plant real trees through environmental partnerships. If you're a student, remote worker, or anyone trying to beat phone addiction, Forest turns productivity into a fun challenge instead of a boring task. The number 2, we have Google Keep, one of the easiest note-taking apps you can use. And with a 4.5 star rating, over 2 million reviews, and more than 1 billion downloads, it's clear millions trust it every day. Got a random idea? Just type it, record a voice note, or snap a photo. Google Keep can even turn your voice recordings into searchable text, making it super easy to find later. Need to stay organized? Color code your notes, add labels, create checklists, and pin important reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. Planning something with friends or family? Share your notes and edit them together in real time, making grocery lists, vacation plans, or event checklists effortless. One of the coolest features is location-based reminders. Imagine your shopping list automatically popping up the moment you arrive at the store. That's smart productivity. And because it syncs across your phone, tablet, computer, and smartwatch, your notes are always right where you need them. If you're looking for a fast, simple, and reliable way to capture every idea before it's gone, Google Keep is definitely worth downloading. Finally, number 1, it's Google Calendar. And there's a reason it holds a 4.5 star rating, over 4 million reviews, and an incredible 5 billion installs. This isn't just a calendar, it's your personal planner, reminder, and scheduling assistant all in one. Creating events takes just seconds. And if you use Gmail, your flight tickets, hotel bookings, restaurant reservations, and other confirmations can automatically appear in your calendar, saving you time and keeping everything in one place. Need to manage work and personal life together? You can use multiple calendars, color code your schedule, switch between daily, weekly, or monthly views, and even organize your tasks right alongside your events. Planning with family or coworkers? Shared calendars make it easy for everyone to stay on the same page without endless text messages. If you're working remotely, adding Google Meet links, checking team availability, and sharing meeting details becomes incredibly simple. The best part? Everything syncs across your phone, tablet, smartwatch, and computer, so your schedule is always up to date no matter where you are. If staying organized is your goal in 2026, Google Calendar is one app you definitely shouldn't overlook. That's our top 7 list. Which app are you downloading first? Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome Android app recommendations.